Do you like video games? Do you sometimes order things from the internet? Do you have a Facebook account? Who puts all these things together? These are the guys that graduate from our Computer Systems Technology program. Computer Systems Technology shows you how to build systems and the software that's needed to make our world what it is today.
Computer science at Camosun consists of 4 programs. The first one is the Computer Systems Technology, which is a 2-year program which has both a co-op and a non-co-op flavor. We also have a 1-year variation of that, so you can graduate with a certificate after 1 year. As well, we have a bridge to UVic, which is degree completion also at UVic. And there is a program on our Lansdowne campus, which is computer science, first 2 years, identical to UVic.
One thing about the program that I can say is it provides you with a broad range of technologies and tools to build software, plus a foundation in computer science and the fundamentals of programming.
There are 2 major misconceptions in computing these days. One is that computing is no longer needed in industry. Big fallacy. Computing is used in nursing, arts, well, fine arts, as well, of course, there's the standard computer science degrees. The other misconception is that there's no jobs out there. Last year we had all of our students were employed within the first month after graduating. So every year we get calls from industry looking for our graduates. This shows us just how well respected our graduates are within industry.
It's an exciting and an interesting time to be in computers, because what we're finding is that the ministries are usually behind where companies like OA Solutions are in the kind of technology they like to use, and the students from universities, colleges and even high schools are even ahead of where we are. It's very hard to keep up with the rapid use and development of things like wikis and blogs and MySpace, Facebook and so on.
I came from Camosun College as a co-op student. I had the opportunity to work with BC government at the time in the GEMS group, and it was a valuable experience for me going through the co-op program and learning hands-on the technologies that I'd be working with once I graduated.
Relate to people, and what that does is that that tells you that when an application...
You know, you meet a lot of very interesting people, and you're always facing new challenges and new problems and new ways of solving problems. You have to think very creatively, and I find that exciting.
We find that the Camosun College students are particularly useful because they seem to be more practical. They always work on a project from the co-op program before they're hired, and that process of working through a 3 or 4 month project is one which is invaluable to the employer.
This report that you would like to see is a financial report?
Yeah, that's right.
Creating things is very exciting. Creating websites, creating web applications, creating solutions to people's business problems is very stimulating, and it's a very intellectually stimulating activity as well. It challenges us to find solutions to problems that we may never even have considered or thought of before.
So we have a lot to learn from our new employees, just as you have a lot to learn from us.